Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and optimize your Wellfound profile to get higher ranks in job applications. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for Wellfound. Once you've done that, click on the first link right over here, and now simply go ahead and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now all you need to do is click on the profile icon, and as you can see, there's going to be your overview. Just click on profile, and now this is where you can simply go ahead and edit your profile. So all you need to do is simply scroll down, go ahead and enter all your work experiences to top notch, right? So companies, titles, start date, end date. Also write in the description very briefly about the works you did, and on educations, go ahead and add all of it as well. Your skills, try to include as many powerful skills that you have as you can. And on identity, go ahead and go easy on this one. Just make sure that you select the right one. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.